Hello beautiful women, I am Ishita Saluja, founder and head stylist at Ishita Saluja Image Consultancy. I style incredible women across globe who are reinventing themselves and looking for a boost in their confidence. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about one hot trend which is going across the globe. Wide leg pants. Yes, they're extremely in fashion but can be a little tricky when it comes about styling them. But nobody wants to do a fashion faux pas. So here I am and I'm going to help you in styling these pants from casual, semi-casual and formal. So let's get started. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, go subscribe right now for all the style tricks and tips. While styling these amazing pair of wide leg pants, you really need to remember that it's all about proportions. While styling them, proportions are going to play the most important role. Since they are wide on the bottom, it's important that we take something more structured or fitted on the top. So let's start, and I'm going to show you 3 ways or 4 of how you can style them. The easiest way to style a wide leg pant would be pairing it with a formal shirt. Not only it's elegant, but it's perfect for a professional setup. Being mindful of balancing proportions, we tuck in the shirt for a sleek look. Those of you who are not comfortable with tucking in can throw on a belt instead to create a dimension and complete the look. Basic tee is another great way to style your wide leg pants in the most casual way. A simple t-shirt or a funky slogan top can make it up for a great day or a picnic outfit, giving your whole look a fun, breezy vibe. Again, since our pants are wide, we need the top to be fitted to avoid looking boxy. Layering is an amazing concept that allows you to experiment as much as you want and is quite liberating. There is no limit to the versatility you can give your outfit by layering. For an evening look, you can pair your wide leg pants with a dress blazer. Keep the base layer of one color and add another color while layering for a leaner and a taller silhouette. Denim jacket is another fun way to layer your wide leg pants. It can create a casual yet edgy look. So that's it guys, these are the different ways that you can style your wide leg pants. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more such styling videos. And if you have any other ways that you like to style your wide leg pants, tell me in the comments below. Until then, remember, style is for everyone and yours is within you. This is Ishita, your style partner, signing off.